Lady, for and on behalf of the KGL Eve Medical Foundation, your efforts have yielded in the purchase of a new vehicle that is to serve the medical center. This was through the efforts of Nana Prempe here, who's through the magnanimity of others who have donated up to 50%. And Japan Motors has also donated 50%. And so today we come to you to present this to you, so you will donate it back to us so we can go and work with it. And your good self has also donated 10 motorbikes to the foundation and the medical center so that it will help with the outreach services. This is why we're here today. As you're aware, the medical, the health of the nation, they say, is the wealth of the nation. And your services to humanity is amplified through this work that you've done. We've managed also to get some computers to support this work. And this is what you're going to be using for the medical records of the patients who come there. They are not necessarily patients, they are clients who come there. And we believe that through the vehicle and the motorbikes and the few computers we have here, through your efforts, will support your initiative at the medical center. This is why we're here today, and wanted to say thank you and assure you that the medical staff who are here today have committed to dedication, integrity, hard work, and above all, excellence. That is amplified by this palace, and they're committed to that. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Thank you. You lady, here are the keys to the vehicle.
Very happy occasion today, and I'm very happy to be here with the KGL Eve Mental Health Group. It's a pleasure to see all the new staff gathering and also the items we've managed to acquire that are going to go to helping run the facility and making it the center of excellence that we are looking forward to. So I think as the patron of the KGL Eve Medical Group, I hereby hand over the keys for our brand new van towards the work of the group. Also, the 10 motor vehicles that are going to help with our outreach services. These are the documents for that. And this is looking forward to a very good group and very good work from you. We hope that you will put your effort towards making this whole project and also the mental health of services of Ghana to good use. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So I am Dr. Eugene Tiamwa Semensa. I am the medical director of the KGL Eve Medical Center, which is situated at Boedi in the heart of Kumasi. And I'm so grateful first to the Lord God Almighty for this opportunity, and also to our king, Otumfuo Osei the second, and the wife, Ohineye Lady Julia Osei, for giving me this opportunity to serve. It's always an honor to serve the Royal House and His Majesty. Me and my team, the workers, and everyone in KGL, looking forward to do our best to make sure the facility is stabilized, to make sure we give the optimum care to patients, and to propagate the gospel of mental health, its preventive measures, and also how to cure patients with such conditions. We also want to give our best to the society, especially the Bwedi community, and we urge people to come in and work in this month as we open to the general populace to also come for general checkups, and also whenever you are sick you can pass by the clinic to be seen. And this month is a mental health month, and we are creating awareness for mental health. We'll be also going to communities for outreaches. Main purpose why Lady donated this van and these motorcycles to the facility. Thank you.